To set up layers in ArcGIS, we're going to go to each one of our data sets, symbolize them the way we want. For example, here I have my cities. I've got them symboled and scaled by the size or the number of households in each city. My counties are just set up colored by state names with a slight transparency. I want to be able to save these and reuse them in other map documents. So I come up, right-click on the data set, and I'm going to just save as a layer file. Give it a name. So let's make it a little bit more descriptive than just cities. Cities by household. And then same with counties. Well, this one, counties by state. There we go. Now I can start a brand new drawing. And here we go. I'll go ahead and add data like I would any other time, and it'll be a layer file, LYR. I add my cities, and so it has a connection to the data as well as the symbology associated with that data set. And there's my counties. And let me go ahead and add the base map to that, the aerial imagery. And now I have recreated my original map document with just the steps of saving these layer files. And I can use these layer files in many different maps as necessary. And that's all there is to layer files.